Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into all things tech and audio. Today, we have something special for all you audio enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Mika 14-gauge pure copper speaker wire, and why we think it's one of the best wires for your speaker crossovers on the market. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Now, before we jump into the details, let's talk about the importance of speaker wires in your audio setup. Your speakers may be top-notch, but if you're not using quality wires to connect them, you might not be getting the full potential out of your system. So, what makes the Mika 14-gauge pure copper speaker wire stand out from the crowd? Let's break down its key features. First and foremost, this wire is made from pure copper, not copper-clad aluminum. Pure copper has lower resistance, better flexibility, and greater durability. This means you get a cleaner, more efficient signal transfer. Take a look at these gold-plated banana plugs. They are all metal with contoured contact springs, purpose-made for high current and low-loss applications. Plus, they fit securely into both deep and shallow binding posts. The cables are hand-assembled using soldered joints and heat-shrink tubing. This construction method not only ensures the best possible audio signal transfer but also makes the wires exceptionally durable. One thing I love about these wires is their ultra-slim connector design. They eliminate needless bulk for a clean and uncluttered installation. Plus, there are no exposed metal parts, reducing the chance of accidental shorts. The dual-layer jacket design features a firm inner jacket for wire stability and a supple outer jacket for excellent protection against abrasion while maintaining flexibility. To prevent connection mistakes, Mika has included a red polarity stripe along with color-coded connectors. It's all about making your life easier. Now, here's the kicker. The Mika 14-gauge pure copper speaker wire is not only feature-packed but also reasonably priced. You're getting a high-quality product without breaking the bank. But let's not stop there. I know some of you might be wondering how these wires stack up against others in the market. So, let's do a quick comparison. Now, let's see what other users are saying about these wires. It's always great to get a broader perspective. Alright, folks, it's time to wrap things up. In conclusion, the Mika 14-gauge pure copper speaker wire is a fantastic addition to your audio setup. It's affordable, well-constructed, and delivers exceptional audio quality. Whether you're setting up a stereo system or a home theater, these wires are worth considering. If you're interested in upgrading your speaker wires, you can find the Mika 14-gauge pure copper speaker wire at a great price on Amazon. I've included a link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another tech review. Until next time, happy listening, and stay tuned for more exciting product reviews.